Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and remove suggested from your Facebook Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and start our video. So for that purpose, let's go ahead open our Messenger app first. Once we have opened our Messenger, if you go ahead, tap on the search icon, and then we can scroll down, we will be able to find the suggested options, right? So why they appear and how we can remove is like, we'll go back and tap on this three horizontal line, tap on the settings icon, and scroll down till you find this option called phone contacts. If I tap on that, you can see the upload contacts option is actually turned off, which means if I tap on that option, if you turn this on, that means all the contacts that you have here saved in a mobile phone will be available and to the Messenger, and they will suggest that those accounts. So make sure you have turned this off. Tap on this manage accounts option, and so you can see this kind of interface will appear, right? So the contacts that have my messenger have taken as a suggestion, so has imported. If I tap on this delete all contacts, your important contacts are being deleted. That means all the contacts that Messenger has imported from my mobile phone will be deleted, and I will be able to resolve the suggested option. So, and the other thing that, so this is, you get that suggested option as well as it also connects with your Facebook friends whom you are connected with in your Messenger, who apparently are connected with you as well, and those persons profile it comes over there as suggestions as well. So for most of the suggestions you can remove it like that. And I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, do leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.